What are the best funding sources for a special needs trust? Imagine setting up a safety net for someone you love that helps protect their benefits while giving them extra support. That's what a special needs trust does. But where does the money come from to fund this trust? Let's explore the main sources. First, if the person with disabilities has their own assets, those can be used to fund a first-party or self-settled special needs trust. Common sources include personal injury settlements from lawsuits, inheritances they receive directly, or savings they built before becoming disabled. These funds must go into an irrevocable trust that follows federal rules, especially regarding Medicaid reimbursement after the person passes away. Next, third-party funds come from family members or friends. Parents, grandparents, or other relatives often set up trusts funded by life insurance proceeds paid out after their death. They might also gift assets or include them in their wills or living trusts. For example, a parent might buy a life insurance policy that names the trust as the beneficiary, ensuring future funding without affecting current benefits. Litigation settlements are another key source. If the person wins a lawsuit, the settlement money can be placed into the trust. Whether it's a lump sum or structured payments, careful planning is needed to avoid disqualifying the person from government programs like Supplemental Security Income or Medicaid. Structured settlements or court-ordered payments, like alimony or child support directed into the trust, can also serve as reliable funding sources. However, some income streams, such as certain disability benefits, cannot be assigned or transferred into the trust. When funding the trust, it's important to remember that it must be managed by a trustee who controls disbursements. The goal is to supplement government benefits without replacing them. Proper funding ensures the person remains eligible for programs like Medicaid and Supplemental Security Income. Estate planning professionals often recommend using life insurance policies that name the trust as the beneficiary, providing future funds without risking current benefits. Court orders can also specify that certain payments go directly into the trust, creating a steady source of income. To sum up, the best funding sources include the individual's own assets, contributions from family and friends, and proceeds from legal settlements. Each source needs to be carefully structured to protect eligibility for public benefits and meet legal requirements. By choosing the right funding methods, you can help ensure the person you care about receives ongoing support while maintaining access to essential government programs.